For me, autonomous production planning is planning that reacts automatically without human intervention and reorganizes and reschedules production and its orders in sequence according to events. More than 2 years ago, we set ourselves the task of developing an autonomous production control system as part of a research project, based on the data we already had in our production planning and ERP system. We quickly realized that we needed a lot more data. This includes information and influencing variables in order to actually control production. It was therefore a major task and a huge challenge to tackle the issue, and to develop in the right direction in order to integrate a large number of influencing and planning parameters into a software that is still easy to use and can also deliver correct planning results. We have a wealth of information from production, the machine tool, operating resources, customer data, and drawing and design data. This information is extracted and used by us to map a sensible production sequence. There are an incredible number of factors that have to be taken into account. New orders come in every day, with new deadline changes, material errors, missing employees, and other influencing factors that have to be treated as disruptive factors. Production then has to be reorganized. There are disruptions, downtimes, all sorts of things happen in production. And that's why you need real-time monitoring to make this visible and incorporate it into the new planning. If employees have to be planned across shifts, this increases complexity. Such planning parameters must be taken into account in order to enable sensible capacity utilization of production 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The framework conditions and limitations are actually only provided by the machines. In other words, the capabilities of the individual machine determine what we can do with it. Production planning, which functions autonomously, can be carried out according to different planning strategies. There are different strategies for controlling and planning production in order to influence the sequence in which orders are sorted into machines. We need the real data, such as production progress or how quickly an order is finished, in order to be able to use our algorithms for autonomous production control to plan ahead. Everything together is a learning system that enables us to plan better in the future. These are all challenges that we have not yet faced. We can only plan as well as the parameters that are available to us. But of course, the more apps you use and the more sensor data you have available, the better the result will be. I think automated systems or robots in production or logistics are fundamentally not intelligent beings. What is needed is a higher-level control system, a central intelligence that gives the machines and robots orders, commands, and instructions, which they then process step by step. This will be the future in order to counteract demographic change, the shortage of skilled workers, and other issues.
Dem demografischen Wandel, Fachkräftemangel und anderen Dingen hier entgegenzuwirken.